Reunion in tears. Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready for heartwarming moments as animals shower humans with absolute love. Let's dive in. Lost in a wildfire, her horse returns today, bringing tears of joy as she rushes to embrace it.
Mom, it's your kid.
Back after 2 long years, now the owner and the tiger are hugging each other, so happy and touching. Oh my goodness, the dog has been found, and its owner was so emotional when reunited, tightly embracing it.
Oh, good girl.
Meeting its old caretaker who looked after it before it returned to the wild, this creature hugged its former owner tightly.
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble.
Holy moly. After 2 years on the road, this dude's back, and now he's playing wild games with a bear. Wow, the girl used to be a cow caretaker before she moved, and now, returning, the cows still sweetly let her touch them. Back after 6 months of treatment, this man gets a joyful goat hug. So heartwarming. Emotional reunion. After 2 years apart, this man tightly embraces his long-lost creature. So touching. It's a reunion moment after 4 years away, and now the girl is tightly embracing the elephant. Unexpected joy at the pool as this creature happily reunites with its old owner. Oh my god, the girl returned from her internship, and the fox, thrilled to see her, joyfully high-fived and squealed in happiness. Tears of joy flow as the girl meets her horse, who consoles her with a comforting hug. This dog is so excited that it can't stay still for a single moment.
I think she missed you just a little bit.
I told her she was going to do that.
Yes. She says, you know, I've only been like 3 blocks away, Dad. Oh, yeah, let's get her.
Oh my, this dog rushes in and showers the girl with passionate kisses. The man is back after 6 months of illness, and this tiger, embracing him, refuses to let go. The lion reunites with its owner, showering continuous kisses because he's been away for far too long. These actions express gratitude towards the person who saved this creature upon their reunion. The fox remembers its owner so well that it grabs her hand as soon as the door opens, afraid she might leave. Whoa! The raccoon joyfully clung to its owner, playfully goofing around with her. That's the moment the dolphin reunites with the trainers, showering them with kisses. She used to care for this fox, and now it's back, all cute and snug in her arms.
W-A-L-K? Hey, that's you. That's silly. That's silly.
After 2 years away, the woman returns and showers the cow with tender kisses. These creatures are cuddling their owner as she returns from the hospital. Wow. Dog sees owner coming from a distance, rushes to open the door and welcomes them home. The baby tiger is showing love to its owner as he returns from a business trip. Recognizing its owner, this creature rushes to embrace them after 2 years of separation. Dog leaps with joy as the owner returns after 5 months apart. So heartwarming. The woman returns, and the dog leaps into her arms as soon as she extends them. The horse is thrilled to see its owner again, joyfully prancing alongside them. Oh my gosh, this owner embraces their pet after being apart for a month. This dog keeps jumping up to shower kisses on its owner, who's returned after studying abroad for 2 years. This pig recognizes its longtime caretaker,
Nie błeś,
behaving
nie
sweetly
błeś.
for some affection. So heartwarming.
On sam padł. Ко мне привык, вот нет.
This lizard just keeps clinging to its owner, even when they're at work. The girl's back after a year, and the dog joyfully rushes to embrace her. Grandma's cat, lost since it was small, returned, and she's so happy, hugging and petting it. After 2 years away, the girl returns from her job transfer, and the horse still loves her just the same. Oh my, the girl hugged the dog so tight when it returned after being missing for 2 days. Wow, the pig, upon reuniting with its owner, hugged them tightly for so long, showing no signs of letting go. The baby gives sweet hugs to its beloved creatures.
Where's Sassy's dewlap? That's right. Where's her jowl?
Surprised the dog with a box, and it caught on lightning fast. Amazing. She once healed the rhino's leg, and now, in their reunion, it affectionately lets her touch it.
Happening.
Wow, the donkey and the man reunited, spilled their feelings, and the donkey
Saying
gave him sweet
that
kisses.
There seems to be a correlation between when you're free, right? We're trying to donkey teeth marks, and don't try and Steve. Look, you're not. I feel like you're not listening to me.
The dog, thrilled as the owner returns, just wants to shower her with kisses. Planned to surprise the dog, but it quickly spotted its owner and rushed over to greet them. Wow, this girl played with the horse since baby talk days, and now it's non-stop kisses on her hands. Man reunites with beloved pets, sharing joyful dances. Hugging tightly upon reunion, unwilling to let go. Wow, the dog happily dashes to embrace its owner as soon as they return. The owner's first move upon seeing this creature again? A tight hug. The owner returns, a simple touch, and the pet leaps up for a loving embrace. The horse is showering the man with kisses after 6 months apart. That's all the touching moments we've compiled in today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.